Hi, it's Nathan.
So today we're opening this Pry and Smash surprise treasure. Ooh, look at that, Mason. That's so cool. What is that? It's got a bonus surprise inside. Ooh, look at that.
Hammer.
Okay, go ahead and get your hammer. Alright. Hammer. Can you see your hammer?
Yeah.
Let me see your hammer. Let me see. Let me see your hammer. Whoa, look at that hammer. That's pretty cool. So, for this one, he's got a bonus surprise box. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? Treasure chest.
Treasure chest. I love treasure chest.
And what color is this treasure chest?
Gold treasure.
Gold. Good job. What about this treasure chest?
Red treasure.
Red treasure chest. What about this one?
Blue treasure.
Blue treasure chest. And this one is
Brown treasure.
brown treasure chest. Okay, folks. We're gonna start with the bonus box. Okay. Pry it and smash it. Okay, smash it. Oh, let's see now. Okay, did you get to open it now?
Yeah.
Wow, what is there?
Good.
What is it?
Good.
It's Gus?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that. It's Gus. Hi, Gus. It's a Gus ball. See, look. Whoa. Cool. All right, so we've got Gus ball right there.
I want to open it.
Okay, Jason's gonna smash it. Okay, Reese. Good job. Okay, what's in there? What's in there, Mason? What is it?
I got.
What is it?
I got a mystery.
He was able to open the gold treasure chest.
Help.
Good job, Miss.
Help.
Okay, so let's see what's in the gold treasure chest. Who's that? Wow, it's Combo.
Got a combo.
Wow. Okay, next one is what color?
Red.
Red. Use your hammer. Smash it. Whoa, what is in there?
I guess we have.
What is that?
I don't know about where.
What is it?
I got.
What is it?
Apple with the pirate.
Whoa.
I want to
Okay, next one. What's next?
blue one.
The blue one. Okay, let's see.
My dear.
Pry it open right here. Okay, you can do it. Okay.
Turn it. I made it.
Wow. Okay. It's gonna smash it now. Smash it really good. Ooh. That's awesome. Good job, Mason. What is there?
I got.
What is it?
What is it?
paper?
That's the way it goes.
Oh, it's Legos. Wow, they have Legos. Wow, that's so cool. All right, so we're gonna be making the Lego later. Okay, so next one's the brown treasure chest. I wonder what's in here. Okay. Wow, look at that. That is so cool. Oh, look, Combo's face changes too. Look, you can turn it around and it changes. Look. Whoa. That's angry.
Don't be happy.
Smiling, happy. And that's surprise. There's happy.
No.
There's angry.
Look.
Whoa, okay. Go ahead and smash it. Oh, cool. Okay. Good job. Whoa. Cool. Uh-oh, he dropped his hammer. Okay, let's see.
Slime.
Whoa. It's a slime?
Yeah.
It's slime. Wow.
Okay, Combo.
That's cool. Let me see. Wow. Slime. What kind of toys did you get, Mace? You got slime. You got Legos. You got Combo. You got Lexa and Gus. Do you want to put the Legos together?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's take a look. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's look at the instructions.
And here are the Lego. And then here are the Lego.
Okay, so here we are. We just need to put this together. So there's Lexa right here.
Wait, before you go, say thank you for watching. And you still can open my slime.
Okay, so he wants to open his slime. So you guys can see. Okay, Combo's gonna get it. Whoa. Combo's gonna get it. Boink. Oh.
I want the slime.
Combo's gonna get the slime.
I wanna get the slime. I wanna get the slime.
Combo's worried.
I wanna get the slime.
Whoa, Combo's angry. He got the slime. I got the slime.
I'll get Apoesta.
I got the slime. I got the slime. What about Mason?
No, not me.
Not you?
Not this
What
one.
about you?
No, I want to buy it this. I want to buy this.
Oh, what about this one? Uh-oh. Okay, what about this one?
No, this one like this.
Oh, okay. Ooh. Let's feed Gus. Gus, do you want some slime? Okay, put some slime in Gus. Okay, show me Combo's face. This one is surprise. Okay, show me surprise. Okay. Show me angry. That's Mason's angry face. Wow. Okay, show me happy face. Happy face, Mason. Show me happy face. Aww. Okay, bye, kiss. Okay, say you're the best.
You're the best. I'm the best.
Aww. You're the best. In the West. In the wild, wild West. Aww. Thanks, Mason. Bye. Bye.
No, that's my grandma. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye.